So at Kopi Ong, we strive to make a consistent cup of coffee that is fresh, that is strong. Word do get around, queues do form. Well, as of yesterday, we've been hitting 11 seconds a cup. Despite the speed, the queue is still there, especially during the morning peak hours, where everybody's trying to rush into the office. Getting in the queue can be frustrating. It reduces the customer's experience, and new unknowns always trigger fears. So one of the challenges we have to deal with when we adopted solutions will be our staff. Our staff are in their 40s, 50s, 60s, so obviously they will be quite apprehensive over it. The other challenges that we have is actually our customers. Fortunately, the solutions that has been built has been easy to learn, easy to use, and hence easy to adopt. Because we got onto this particular solution that writes off Facebook Messenger, no more queuing. All you need, order 10 minutes before, pay electronically, appear 10 minutes later, and get your cup of bliss in your hands. Very convenient. It's been a hit for our customers. The AI behind it even suggests to the customers some of the previous orders that they have taken, and having that order sent into the kitchen directly saves a lot of miscommunication, errors in production. Foodster also allows the business to be more efficient in the planning of our production of beverages. It also allows us to spread demands across peak periods into the lull periods. And this can be done through a time-based promotional programs that Foodster has as a marketing tool. So ultimately, the API allows us to gain more business. It opens up new channels. Through all this, we're able to bring what the customer expects of us. That is a great customer experience, a consistent cup of coffee, every morning, every day.